Guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all having an amazing day. So I am back with another top 5 video. This time we're going to be talking about my top 5 favorite lip liners, and most of these are nude because I prefer wearing kind of like brownie nudes on the daily. They just go with everything and they're just easygoing, and they're my personal favorite, and they really just kind of bring the whole look together. And I mostly like to do my makeup very natural, so I find that these nude tones go perfectly with more natural and subtle makeup. So if you guys want to know what my top 5 favorite lip liners are, then keep on watching. So before we get into it, I do want to let you know that majority of these are drugstore lip liners. Drugstore has some of the most underrated lip products. The first one is this one from Maybelline. It's the Color Sensational Shaping Lip Liner in the shade 118 Raw Chocolate. It's a really pretty warm nude, and that's the one I'm wearing right now, and it's really pretty, goes on really smoothly, and I love that this pencil is retractable. I personally find these ones much more friendly, much more user friendly. You don't have to sharpen them, and they're just easier to use. And I find that any of the retractable pencil ones are much more creamier than the pencil lip liners. You guys can see how pretty this tone is, and I just totally love it, and it complements my skin so well. And that is the first lip liner. So next up we have this one from Milani. It's the Color Statement Lip Liner in 09 Spice. This is a, let me just show you guys, this is a really pretty purpley pinky nude, and I also love this color. It glides on really easily. Even though this one is a pencil, it's super creamy, it's matte, it lasts all day long, and it goes on super creamy, and it's very pigmented. And Milani makes really good lip products. I also love their liquid lipsticks and their glosses, and obviously their lip liners, and I love this shade. Okay, so next up we have this one from True Fiction in the shade Deep Nude. It's a really pretty purpley, cool toned nude. This lip liner looks really pretty with a toned down makeup, and it's a really good shade to also wear every day with minimal makeup. And you guys know how much I love this lip liner because I use it pretty much in all of my makeup videos. I use this liner to line my lips, and then I'll usually go over top of it with a lipstick or a liquid lipstick. So this is one of my favorites, and True Fiction also has some of the most amazing formulas. They just get lip liners right, and I feel like this is such an underrated product. Not a lot of people know about this brand, so if you haven't tried any of the lip liners from True Fiction, I highly recommend it. And this is also a long-lasting, comfortable formula, and I wear it pretty much on the daily. Next up we have this really pretty nude from LA Girl. It's in the shade Natural. So this one probably matches the closest to the natural color of my lips, and it's such a pretty color. It's like the most natural, obviously, like the name says. It goes on really smoothly, long lasting. The only thing is it is a pencil, so like I said, I like the retractable pencils more, but nonetheless it's an amazing formula, long lasting. And LA Girl also makes some of the best lip liners, especially the nude tones. They totally get it right, and they always stay in my bag, especially this color, which is one of my favorites. And yeah, I really love this color as well. And last but not least, we have the Rimmel London Exaggerate Full Color Lip Liner in the shade 045 Epic. This is what it looks like. It's a retractable pencil as well. It's actually very similar to the True Fiction lip liner in Deep Nude that I mentioned earlier, so it's very similar. Juicy formula, long lasting, feels super smooth on the lips, and it goes on really creamy, and it just kind of like makes your lips feel very juicy and lasts all day. I feel like I've already said that. All of these pretty much are long-lasting lip liners. They work amazing under liquid lipsticks because they are creamy. They're not going to make your lips super chapped or anything like that. So that basically is the last lip liner that I love. And that's it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comments below what some of your favorite lip liners are, whether they're high-end or drugstore. I would love to know. And also tell me if you use any of the ones that I've mentioned in the video today, and also any other top 5 video ideas you may have for me that you want me to talk about. Also let me know that. And with that being said, I will see you guys all next time. Thank you so much for always supporting me and just watching my videos. I truly appreciate it. Bye guys.